I got hung up on using the SPSS with this lesson.
Uh-huh.
I couldn't understand what they were trying to tell me to do with the automatic recode.
Oh, yeah.
Did you get that?
Yeah.
I mean, were you okay? So when we get to that point, I'll have to explain it.
Okay. So
I understand, it's pretty easy, straightforward because there's just a little bit changed, when you're. But I kept getting strange errors like, you can't use a string in this field or something like that. It was kind of
yeah, I'll try to help you.
okay. All right. So go ahead and we'll start the quiz, I guess. Let me get some paper. Okay. 1, 2 are the gimmies. Number 3. What are the requirements when comparing two means with independent samples? And I picked random sample and normally distributed.
Yeah.
Did you? None of the others?
No.
Okay.
The test.
There was a way to make a screen print of some of the slides on the PowerPoint,
Uh-huh.
but it's a YouTube of a PowerPoint, and I can't seem to do it. I don't think it's possible.
Oh.
Other than like the screen dump, but my computer's old. If you ask it to do something like that, it chokes. All right, number 4. Test statistics for comparing two means with independent samples.
T-score?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stop with. I had to go back and look at my notes because it said F. I don't even remember F coming up.
Yeah.
I said, boy, I must have missed something. Okay, 5. Two samples are independent if the second one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was an easy one too. Okay. All right, so now the next one we start using the dentist office bills. The degrees of freedom, that's easy. 40 minus 1, 39.
At 37.996. Aren't we supposed to use the bottom one? Aren't we supposed to use the bottom one? Saying that we.
I thought it was just the number of samples minus 1. It's different on independence?
Yeah, so you'll take. Did you do the analyze on SP?
Yeah, let me redo it because I had to close it. All right. Dentist office bills. Analyze descriptive statistics. And
So you're actually going to go and click on underneath analyze. You're going to go to compare means.
All right.
And then click on independent samples.
Okay. Now I move dentist bills over to the top box.
Yes.
And city to the bottom box.
So, okay. So did you do the group code to number them yet?
No, I haven't done that.
Okay.
So it's not gonna, right?
Yeah. So you'll need to do that.
Yeah,
So
can you show me? Well, if you can say that louder, I'll go to the screen. Hold on. There you are. Okay. So I found where that command is, but I didn't know what it was asking me to do. Let me get rid of this first. Start over, cancel, close, go. All right. Dentist office bills, transform. Is that where it is? Auto recode. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Now, what do I do with that?
So you'll move city over to the variable.
Okay. Where it says new name and there's a bunch of question marks now.
Yeah. So where it says new name, you'll type in group and then code in all capitals.
Group code, all capitals?
Just code in all capitals.
Okay, code. Okay.
And then you'll click add new name. And then click OK. And then
okay, I got a little Idaho Falls 1, Rexford 2.
yes.
All right.
So then you'll go back to analyze.
All right.
And compare means.
Okay. Do I need to do the descriptives first?
No.
Okay.
And then you'll do the independent samples t-test.
All right. So I got 3 over there now. Dentist, bill, city, and code.
So you'll move the dentist bill to the test variable.
Okay.
And then group code to the grouping variable.
Okay.
And then click on define groups.
All right.
And then where it says group 1, just type a 1. And group 2, just type a 2.
And then press OK.
Yeah.
Should do it.
And then it should renumber
well,
everything.
Error message. Well, that's convoluted. Okay. So on that, it says degrees of freedom, 37.96.
Yes.
So what is the two values here? I'm pointing at your screen here. The strange perspective here. The first one says equal variance is assumed, and the other one says equal variance is not assumed. Do you know what that's telling us?
So in the textbook, it says we're always going to use the equal variance is not assumed.
Okay.
Or
They're not assumed.
yeah.
Okay. All right, that's good. Forge ahead. Forge ahead. There we go.
So it has the sample deviation in the box above for Rexford.
All right, that is
The 206.637.
okay. This is in the group statistics.
Yeah.
206.637. Well, I got stuck because I didn't know about, couldn't figure out exactly how to use the auto recode that they were referring to. But I'll have to try again, see if I can duplicate my results. I'll probably get a chance here in just a couple questions, in fact.
Yeah.
Number 8, what is the test statistic? 2 3s. That's just can't tell.
So it'd be the negative 0.434.
Yeah, this is T neg 0.434. Number 9, what's the p-value? The p-value is the, hold on, I know this one. They said use the two-tailed.
You're going to use the applet.
I beg your pardon?
The applet?
Okay. Just put in neg 434 in the applet.
Yeah, with the degree.
And that was 37.996. So, is this two-tailed, or is it only the left one, right?
Yeah, it's only the left.
Only the left one correct. If I say left and right, it's okay. Yeah, okay. So take away that 0.3334. Is that what you got?
Yeah.
Oh, we rounded up 0.323.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, fail to reject.
Hold on. Oh, something made this thing mad at me. Point 333. So, if the level of significance is 0.1 and P is 0.3 something, then the null hypothesis is rejected.
We would fail to reject the null.
Fail to reject the null, because the null is their equal, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So you had the alternative hypothesis of 8, the mean 1 is not equal to the mean of the second. What is the correct decision based on this evidence? Okay, so I guess we got to look at our output again.
Yeah, it would just be double. So it'd be 0.666.
Okay.
So it'd be the same.
It'd be the same. Okay, so that would be.
Would it be the second one?
They fail to reject the null hypothesis. That means we have insufficient evidence that the mean difference of the Yeah, the very last one maybe. We have insufficient evidence that the mean difference between the two cities are the same. Because that's the alternative hypothesis.
But didn't we fail to reject the null?
Fail to reject the null hypothesis.
So they would be equal, right?
So that's gosh. It's just such a convoluted way to state it.
I know.
So we have sufficient evidence. All right, so I think we have to just agree that the word insufficient in it.
Yeah.
Okay, so that narrows it down to number 2 or number 4. All right. So we go from there. We have insufficient evidence that they are different. That's the second one. Do you like that one?
Yeah, I don't know.
We got a 50-50 on it anyway.
Yeah. We can take it again.
Yeah. All right. Well, we got a new set of data. Okay, let me get rid of this other stuff. All right. So this one, we need to do that transform data thing again, right?
Yeah.
Well, let's see what the question is first before I get carried away. What is the appropriate alternative hypothesis? Okay.
The second one.
The second one. They're not equal.
Yeah.
All right. What is the test statistic? All right. First, we've got to do the auto recode
Yeah.
with the state. So I put it there and put the word code there.
The root code, yeah. And the new name. With code all capital.
Yeah. Okay. All right, so it comes up with Colorado is 1 and Utah is 2. And then we can just go straight into the independent samples t-test.
Yeah.
So I brush them up here and okay. It worked great. I shouldn't sound so surprised. All right. What is the test statistic? It is negative 0.845.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay. And p-value, we do that with the applet?
Yes.
All right, so 0.205. Oh, wait a minute, that's only half.
Yeah.
So I got to do the other. 0.410.
Okay. Good. That's greater than the level of significance. So we would fail to reject the null.
Yes, correct. Reject the null hypothesis. Because p is greater than the level of significance, or whatever that's called. See, now that I understand. I get to that point, that makes sense. But then when we start saying sufficient evidence and insufficient evidence, and I start getting kind of fuzzy, let's say.
Yeah, I have to read them over and over again.
Okay, 15. Determine a 95% confidence interval for U1, U2, estimate for the difference between them, and input your answers below.
I just took the confidence interval and divided it by 2.
Okay.
And I got 3.671.
3 point, what did you get?
3.671.
All right, so just over here on the, it says 95% confidence interval of the difference. So that is, oh, you just took the space between them.
Yeah.
Okay. The absolute value, or whatever they want to call it. One or two more, yay. Input the lower bound.
Negative 5.137.
It's already in there. I mean, it's given to us, isn't it?
Yeah.
Negative 5.137. The upper is 2.204.
We got 100.
Yay! We're confused, but we topped it out. Rapper Tamara, my mom died this time last year, and I dropped my class, and I didn't take anything that next semester. I was all embroiled in her estate and stuff.
Mm.
It's a mess. She's too young for that. My mom was old. She was 90. But